Hello everyone, welcome back to my class. This is grade 4 math. In today's video, let us do the continuation of exercise 6.3 fourth problem. Okay, so in the last class I have completed up to 3 problems. So let us do the continuation of the fourth problem. So this is page number 84. Here is the fourth problem. Find the common multiples of 4 and 8 by finding the multiples of each number to the fifth place and encircle the LCM. Okay. So first what we have to do? First we have to find the common multiples of 4 and 8. Okay. After finding, what we have to do? We have to find the multiples of each number to the fifth place. Okay. After that we have to encircle the LCM. Let us solve this. Okay. So first multiple of 4. Okay. So table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, 4 tens are 40. Okay. So this is multiple of 4. Next multiple of 8. Multiple of 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72, 8 tens are 80. Okay. So this is multiple of 4 and multiple of 8. Okay. So we have to find the common multiples of 4 and 8. Okay. Common multiples of 4 and 8. Okay. So here common multiple is 8 in both 4 and 8. Next 16. Next 24. Common multiples. Next 32. Last 40. Okay. Common multiples of 4 and 8 is 8, 16, 24, 32 and 40. Okay. So here what we have to do? Here we have to find the multiples of each number to the fifth place. Okay. So this is the first place, second, third, fourth, fifth. So here fifth place is 40. Okay, so fifth place equals to 40. Fifth place equals to 40. Okay, next what we have to do? We have to encircle the LCM. So here we have to do the LCM. So LCM of 4 and 8 equals to. So we have to do the LCM. 4, 8. So let us take the smaller number. So 4, it will be divisible in 2. So 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8. Next 2, 4 also divisible in 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Next last 1 will be as it is, 2 ones are 2. Okay. So here 2 into 2 into 2. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8 equals to 8. Okay, so LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. Okay, so we have completed our fourth problem. Okay, firstly we have to write the multiple of 4 and 8. Next we have to find the common multiples of 4 and 8. So here common multiples of 4 and 8 is 8, 16, 24, 32 and 40. Okay. After that we have to find the multiples of each number to the fifth place. Okay. So here fifth place is 40. After that what we have to do? We have to encircle the LCM. So 4, 8. So 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2. This one will be as it is. So 2 ones are 2. So what we have to do here? We have to multiply this number. So 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. So LCM of 4 and 8 equals to 8. Okay. So LCM of 4 and 8 equals to 8. So this is the fourth problem. We have to find out if the bigger number is a multiple of the smaller number. what we have to do? We have to find out if the bigger number is a multiple of the smaller number. First question, 13 comma 91. Okay, 13 comma 91. So this is the first question. So let us solve this. Okay, so fifth bit, first question. So what we have to do? We have to find out if the bigger number is a multiple of the smallest question. Fifth bit, first question, 13 comma 91. Okay, so let us solve this. We divide. Okay, so we divide 91 by 13. Okay, so we divide 91 by 13. So we divide 91 by 13. Okay, so 13 into 7. 7 3s are 21. 1 here, 2 carry here. 7 1s are 7 plus 2, 8, 9. Okay, so 13 7s are 91. So 91 minus 91, 0. Okay, so since 91 is divisible by 13. Okay, since 91 is divisible by 13. Yes, it is a multiple of 13. Yes, it is a multiple of 13. Okay, so remaining you try it as your homework. Okay, it's very simple and easy. Only we have to find out if the bigger number is a multiple of the smaller number. So yes, it is a multiple of 13. So first we divide 91 by 13. Okay, so 13 7s are 91. 91 minus 91, 0. Since 91 is divisible by 13, so yes, it is a multiple of 13. So remaining you try it as your homework. Let us do the sixth bit. Okay, sixth bit. Find the LCM of the following. Question is 4 comma 12. So this is okay. 4 comma 12 is divisible in 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12. Next again we have to take 2 because 2 comma 6 is divisible in 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Next we have to take 3 because this one will be as it is, 3 1s are 3. LCM equals to 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 12 LCM of 4 and 12 equals to 12. Okay, LCM of 4 and 12 equals to 12. Okay, so like this you have to find LCM. Okay, it's very easy and simple. Remaining problem you try it as your homework. I hope you understood the concept. So with this we have completed our exercise 6.3. Thank you.